Welcome to my very first gluten-free baking with Sheena video. And so for my very first video, I'm going to show you the gluten-free flour blend that I use for all my baked goods. It makes them super fluffy, they're not grainy at all, you wouldn't even know they're gluten-free. So there's a special trick to doing it, which is I take this coffee grinder and I grind the brown rice flour into super fine brown rice flour. And that is the trick to super delicious, fluffy, and you can't even tell, gluten-free baking. So we'll go ahead and get started. What I like to do is grind the brown rice flour and then I put it in a separate container so that I just do the whole container at once. So I'll show you a demonstration of how I do that. So just super easy. Throw the brown rice flour in there just a little bit. You gotta have room for it to move around so it can grind properly. And when you're grinding it, you can shake it a little bit, tip it to the side so that it gets all the flour. So now there you have it, super fluffy brown rice flour. Okay, so I went ahead and measured the 4 cups brown rice flour, 1 1/3 cup potato starch, and 1/3 cup tapioca starch. And I have a nice big bowl here and a whisk. So I'm just gonna go ahead and whisk that all together until it's well blended. And that is it. There you have it. It's your gluten-free flour blend. So just don't forget to add xanthan gum in the future when you are actually using it to make a cake or any type of gluten-free pastry, which usually you'll see in the recipe that it will have a xanthan gum addition. So this is a xanthan gum free, gluten-free flour blend. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Come see us again.